Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to fix dry elbows with body cream, and this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. Essentially, if you have dry elbows, you can use any kind of body cream to fix those dry elbows. Really easy to do. It's a very simple process. What you want to do, essentially, and I'll explain it and then I'll demonstrate it, is you want to apply the lotion or the cream to your dry or cracked elbows, and make sure you're applying it, more than the area. So if like your elbows are dry and cracked right here, go bigger, okay? It's just better to go further around so you can heal that skin overall around it as well, okay? And then you want to reapply the cream or lotion as needed, and I'll go over some guidelines momentarily, okay, about like sort of maximums, like the most that you want to do this, okay? To sort of like something to stay under in terms of like a number of times per day. And then you basically want to repeat it daily until your elbows are nice and healed in terms of the skin. So essentially, let's say that this elbow was dry or cracked in terms of the skin. What I would do is I would get my cream or my body lotion and I would apply it onto there. Now, you don't need a lot. I'm going to show you literally, so just for one elbow, that's probably as much as you need. You don't need a lot. You don't want to put a lot. Okay, I'm just going to put this down over here. You don't need a lot. So I'm going to take this cream and I'm going to rub it around. You can see I can get all of this area with just that little amount of cream. Okay? And obviously, if you're doing it to one elbow, even if only one elbow is dry or cracked, you should probably do it to the other one as well. So what I will do is I'll do it to the other one as well. You don't have to, but I would probably do it to both. That's as much as I need, literally just that amount right there. Just give me a moment to make sure that cream doesn't fall onto the floor over there. So I just rub it around the elbow. Very simple. Rub it on the skin of the elbow. Very simple. Okay? And essentially, you want to continue rubbing it until you feel almost like a resistance. When it gets harder to rub, like right now, this one is harder to rub, so I know it's been rubbed in enough. This one is still a little bit easy, so I'm going to keep rubbing it. And essentially, it's getting harder to rub, so I know it's been rubbed into the skin more than enough for the most part. Okay, now you want to reapply it as needed. Now, do not go and do it so often. Okay, here's my rule of thumb: absolute maximum per day, morning, midday, nighttime. That's the max. You don't want to be applying it more than 3 times a day maximum on your skin. You don't need it more than that. You don't need to apply more than that. Right? That's my rule of thumb. It's my opinion. You can take it or leave it. Do your own research. Make up your own mind, of course. Use your own common sense, of course. But that's my rule of thumb, is that body cream or body lotion, if you're trying to heal dry or cracked skin, maximum 3 times a day and spaced out morning, midday, night. Okay? If you want to do it twice, morning, night. Very simple. Or morning, midday. That's fine. But space them out. Maximum 3 times a day with regards to the application of the cream or lotion, and space them out so that they're relatively, evenly spaced throughout the day for the most part. Okay? That's my rule of thumb. And you want to do that every day until your skin is healed or cracked. Not healed or cracked. Until your skin is healed. Until the dry or cracked skin has been healed. You don't need, if you do it right, you shouldn't need a super long time. It should, a few days should be more than enough to really get you that healing you need. Your skin is not going to be perfect, after a few days, but it should be healed up enough where it's not painful and it looks nice and relatively smooth after a few days, okay? And obviously, if it's not healing, then obviously you might have to go and consult a professional. So you might have to go and consult a medical professional or a skin professional, of course. But these are just little things that there's just something you can do with body cream or body lotion at home. And like I said, a good amount of the time, decently often, just applying the cream or lotion will heal up that dry or cracked skin as needed. But like I said, you have to use your own judgment. You might need to go see a professional, and that's up to you. But yeah, this is how to basically fix your dry elbows, your dry and cracked skin on your elbows using a body cream or body lotion. It's easy to do. I've shown you and told you exactly how to do it. I've outlined some guidelines. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and I've got nothing else to say, nothing else to show you. So with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. So without further ado, here is the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.